Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching food names in Sotho. Nama ya kgomo. Nama ya kgomo. Nama ya kgomo means beef. Nama ya nku. Nama ya nku. Nama ya nku means lamb. Nama ya kulube. Nama ya kulube. Nama ya kulube means pork. Kapi. Kapi. Kapi means fish. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.